Want to set up a custom homepage in WordPress? Stick around. I'll show you the easiest way in under 2 minutes. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for Settings on the left-hand menu. Click it, then choose Reading. This is where your home page settings live. By default, WordPress shows your latest posts as the home page, but if you'd rather display a custom page, simply choose the option A Static Page. Now you'll see two drop-downs, one for home page and one for posts. From the home page drop-down, select the page you've already created that you want visitors to see first. Once you've picked your page, scroll down and hit Save Changes. That's it. Your selected page is now the home page for your WordPress site. It's a simple tweak that makes your site look more professional and lets you control exactly what your visitors see first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other WordPress tips.